Hello friends, in this video, I am show you that how to use free promoter bots 1.4.0 version. You can find bot link in description. First you need to start the bot by clicking on, start command and read this message. If you already a user then click on, start command, to update bot interface. Once you clicked, your bot will update it in 1 second. Now read all instructions written there. And join our official Telegram channel AP community, it's necessary for all users. Remember some instructions, like you don't send promotional request, or any other links directly in bot, and some category will not promoted. Next step is click on promotion channel and join channel as per your interest, it will support small creator like you. We can't force anyone to join promoted channel. Now click on next button named as, add your channel, again read this message very carefully.
Follow all task. First subscribe our official YouTube channel and Telegram channel. After that click on, add here, to add members in our promoter group as we mentioned in this message.
After reading whole message, click on, add here, to complete your task. You will redirect to promotion group, join this group then add member as per how long you want to promote your channel. After adding members in promotion group, return to bot and click on button, send link. Now send your link and also write members added by you. Then wait for 24 hours for admin reply. If your tasks are completed, then you receive a message like, your channel promoted soon. Now, I am going to show you how your channel promoted. First your channel get listed in, promoted channel, button, then pinned in promotion group. And finally all bot user will receive message of newly promoted channel. Now we clarify that, we are promoter not seller, so don't blame us for not getting any member, it's totally depends on your content and category. Our work is to promote and we done it well. Thanks for watching this video.